What's going on everybody, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make tabbouleh. Tabbouleh is a Middle Eastern salad consisting of herbs, tomatoes, bulgur wheat, spring onions and topped with a lemon and olive oil dressing. To start this recipe we're going to wash 3 bunches of flat leaf parsley under some cold running water. And once that's done, I'm just going to leave it to drain for about 10 minutes. Then in the meantime, in a saucepan, we're going to add 55 grams of bulgur wheat, 100 milliliters of water, and half a teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil. We're going to put this onto a high heat and bring it to a boil. Now that this is at a boil, I'm going to turn it down to a low heat, put a lid on. We're then going to cook this for about 12 to 15 minutes. After about 15 minutes, I'm going to turn it off the heat. And what you're looking for is it to be nice and tender, but still have a slight bite to it. I'm now going to move this off the heat and allow it to rest for about 10 minutes. Then after our parsley is drained, I'm going to cut it at the stalk just before the leaves. I'm going to discard of these, but you can keep these and put them in a stock. I'm then going to come through and cut this up as finely as you can. And once your parsley is really finely chopped, we're going to transfer it to a tray lined with a clean tea towel just to dry out. Just going to spread it out so it all sits evenly. Now we're going to allow this to dry out at room temperature for about 30 minutes. Then here I have 12 grams of fresh mint. We're just going to really finely chop this. I'm then going to transfer this to a bowl. Then here I have 3 spring onions. We're just going to take the root end off and peel off any dry skin. Just going to cut the tops off, and then we're going to really finely slice these. We're then going to add these to the bowl with the mint. We're then going to finely dice 3 tomatoes. And then we're going to add this to the bowl. Then in a small bowl we're going to add 60 milliliters of fresh lemon juice, half a teaspoon of paprika, 2 teaspoons of sea salt, and 60 milliliters of extra virgin olive oil. We're going to whisk all of that together. Just going to put that aside. We're then going to add our bulgur and our chopped parsley. We're then going to pour over our dressing and add 1 teaspoon's worth of cracked black pepper. Then either using your hands or a spoon, we're going to mix all of this together. Just clean up the edges of our bowl. And there we have our beautiful, fresh and fragrant tabbouleh salad. I find this goes absolutely perfect with lamb, but you can pretty much use it as a side for any dish that you'd like. I really hope you enjoyed this video and I was able to teach you something. If you haven't done so already, please hit that subscribe button down below and don't forget to like, share and comment. And if there's any recipes that you'd like to see me make, please leave them in the comment section down below and I'll be sure to make them. I hope you have a fantastic day. Thanks again for watching. Bye for now.